Aston Martin has unveiled the new DB12 Volante, a convertible companion to the recently launched DB12 Coupe. This open-top model offers the thrill of roof-down driving, blending super tourer performance with the luxury of open-air cruising. The DB12 Volante is a testament to Aston Martin's legacy of high-performance convertibles, combining timeless elegance with modern technology and engineering. The vehicle is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 671 brake horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds and reach a top speed of 202 miles per hour. The engine's performance is further enhanced with features like modified cam profiles, larger turbos, and increased cooling. The power is channeled through a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, offering a range of dynamic driving modes for tailored driving experiences. Structurally, the DB12 Volante boasts an exceptionally rigid bonded aluminum frame, ensuring both performance and handling are uncompromised. Detailed engineering has been applied to the vehicle's underbody, with key structural elements and performance additions boosting the car's global torsional stiffness. These enhancements, combined with changes to underbody components, result in a 3.7% increase in global torsional stiffness, leading to improved suspension performance and refinement. Central to the convertible experience is the electrically operated K-fold roof, which offers swift operation and a sleek appearance. The roof, featuring 8 layers of insulation, ensures a quiet cabin environment. When lowered, the roof is concealed beneath a hard tonneau cover, presenting a streamlined silhouette. The roof can be operated at speeds up to 31 miles per hour and offers 4 color choices for customization. The DB12 Volante is set to make its global debut at Monterey Car Week in California and will be on display at various events. Production is slated to begin in Q3 of 2023, with the first deliveries expected in Q4 2023. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.